Welcome back to Sefsed, where we curated some of the best gadgets and gears on the internet. In this video, we've handpicked the top 10 gadgets that will revolutionize the way you use your iPhone. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a productivity guru, or simply seeking to enhance your everyday life, we've got something for everyone. So, let's get started. On the first product, we have Mophie MagSafe Wallet Stand. This gadget is a slim wallet that doubles as a phone stand. It has a magnetic property that makes it compatible with iPhones with MagSafe and allows for 3 viewing angles. It is perfect for those who want to go minimal with their wallet and phone accessories. Next in line is ShiftCam Snap Grip. This is a mobile battery grip with a wireless shutter button that snaps onto your iPhone. It has a built-in power bank with Qi wireless charging that keeps your phone topped up while you focus on creating and sharing engaging content. It is compact and designed to feel like a traditional camera, making it easy to take great photos and videos. Following that, the next gadget is Anker Magnetic Battery Mago. This is a foldable wireless portable charger with 20-watt power delivery that is compatible with the latest iPhone series. It has a strong magnetic property that allows it to snap onto your phone for easy wireless charging. Next up, ESR Halo Lock Kickstand Wireless Charger. This is a MagSafe compatible charger that is compatible with the recent iPhone series. It has a 5 feet USB-C removable cable and a kickstand that allows for easy viewing while charging. It is perfect for those who want a charging solution that is both stylish and functional. Still related to charging, the next gadget is for anyone that travels a lot. Mophie Wireless 3-in-1 Travel Charging Station is a 5-coil dual 10-watt fast charging pad that can charge up to 3 devices. It is compatible with all wireless charging stations and has a magnetic property that makes it suitable for iPhones and other Apple products. Additionally, the entire package is foldable, making it portable and easy to carry around. Moving forward to number 6 is DualKin Pro Mount. This is an iPhone holder that can be attached to your laptop or monitor. It is an adjustable phone mount stand that is foldable and has a laptop side mount clip. It is perfect for those who want to multitask and use their phone while working on their laptop or turning the iPhone into a high-quality video webcam. The next iPhone accessory is a little similar but with extra features. Rolling Square Edge Full Kit includes a cell phone holder, 15-watt magnetic wireless charger, and 280-lumen monitor light for video meetings. The Edge mount is a tablet and phone mount for your laptop that allows the convenient use of dual screens, efficient study, and work. The Edge is made of durable aluminum with N52 magnets and is fully compatible with MagSafe devices and all Android devices. If you love water activity, then AquaTech Access Go may be so tempting. This is a waterproof iPhone housing for underwater action photography, snorkeling, and surfing. It is designed to protect your phone from water damage and allows you to take incredible photos or videos straight from the native camera app on your phone. It has a durable casing with an underwater rating of 10 meters and is compatible with iPhone models. The next gear is SmallRig Cage. This is a high-quality and versatile accessory for filmmakers and vloggers. It features excellent build quality and is designed to accommodate a light module, microphone, and small battery pack, making it a neat and tidy setup for filming. The cage is compatible with the iPhone and offers a secure fit with a thin silicone case. With multiple connection points and cold shoes, it provides ample room for additional accessories. The inclusion of 2 handles ensures steady handling, and the optional battery supply carrier allows for extended shooting time. Last but not least, Spigen Slim Armor CS Case. This is a phone case that offers extra protection while still staying pocket-friendly and neat. It has a simple, clean design and dual-layer defense. Interestingly, the exterior card slot can hold up to 2 cards, and the shock-absorbing TPU interior and polycarbonate exterior protect your phone from damage. This is a pretty unique case if you are looking for protection and functionality. And there you have it, 10 really cool iPhone gear that you are probably interested in. The product links can be found in the video description. Be sure to check that out. If you like this video, consider subscribing for more cool gadget curations like this. And as always, thank you for watching.